Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on my July Ipsy bag. Like every Ipsy video, I'm going to show you each item, try it on, and let you know how I feel about the item. So let's get right into it. This bag smells like plastic. Like I can just smell it off the bag. It's very, very strong, but I love how it looks. This is so my vibe. When you move the bag back and forth, you can see like different colors. It looks like the rainbow. I love this color. Let's open the bag, and the first thing I'm grabbing is this right here. It's the card that, you know, Ipsy just brings cards. The first item I'll be grabbing is this right here. This is from Mahava. It says time to clear facial mud exfoliator. So I have to use this on my face to exfoliate. This facial mud says that it's super hydrating. Wild deep sea mud helps pull dirt, toxins, and excess oil from your pores. It also improves your skin's ability to hold onto moisture. No dry, uncomfy feeling here. I like the sound of that because I have dry skin. I usually don't apply any mud mask or anything to exfoliate my skin on camera when it comes to skincare, but I'm just gonna do it. So come on to my bathroom. Washing my hands first. Hopefully you can see me. Yes, yes, okay. Wetting my face. Once I was applying this, the first thing that I noticed and that I love about it, it didn't smell like chemicals. I hate anything that smells like so much chemicals because it's like, it's not good for your skin. So that's a good thing. When I was applying this, I was doing circular motions, and you didn't have to really get in there because it really was exfoliating your skin. So you didn't have to be so harsh with it and so rough. I feel that my face is clean, but I do need to apply some moisturizer because, you know, when you exfoliate, you have to moisturize right after. And with my skin, you have to remember, whatever I use, if it's not hydrating, my face is going to feel dry no matter what. Going back into the bag, the next item I will be grabbing, and this is so great because after doing this, you do need to apply some moisturizer or lotion. What I have in my hand right now is from H2O Plus Beauty. This is the Ultra Hydrating Cream. It says massage gently onto face and neck, use day and night, and when weather conditions leave skin feeling dehydrated. I am so happy that I received this. Even though these things are travel size, I don't use so much, and these things do last. Oh, but I like it because it has like an aqua color to it. Oh, I love that. It does feel thick when you're applying it, but it's so lightweight to the skin. My face does feel a little bit cool. The first time you smell the cream, it does have a weird scent to it. Something in hand sanitizer and medicine, and something around there. But it's like, it smells just clean. That's the whole thing. It smells clean. But you do not smell that on your face at all. Don't mind my pimple right here. I just, you know, just got a pimple today. It's like, yeah, the day that I'm going to record pimple. Anyways, so happy I got that. Going back into the bag, and I just grabbed this right here. This is from Pop Beauty. This is a brow pencil. It says natural brunette. I love that it has a spoolie. The shape of the pencil looks like a teardrop kind of, or like a triangle. This brow product, I think it's okay for my first time trying it. I just don't like the formula of it. If it's like a waxy consistency, and it was kind of hard to apply on the brows because when I was applying it, the brows were getting stuck together, so I had to keep on combing it through. I feel like I had to push down a little bit harder than usual because of the formula. Okay, next in the bag is this right here. So this brush from IBY Beauty. It's the eyeshadow fluff brush. This brush is super soft with a fluffy dome shape, so it's built for blending and applying all your shadows evenly. No animals harmed here. This synthetic bristled beauty is vegan and cruelty free. I love, love, love. 3 ways to play with this brush. 1. To apply eyeshadows, using the eyeshadow brush, pat, don't sweep, color all over your lids. This will minimize fallout and help color stay on. Blend it out using your fingers or a fluffy brush. 2. To apply loose pigments, damp the bristles and dab them into your loose pigment. Then pat it on your lid or wherever you want to apply. 3. For a precise highlight, use it to sweep highlighter on a small area on your face, like down the bridge of your nose, on your brow bones, or on your chin. I'm going to use this brush with the last product in the bag. And the last product is from Ofra Cosmetics. It says eyeshadow syrup. This is the eyeshadow. I'm hoping I can apply this in my Z palette. I'm going to check that out right now. Let me see. Where are you, Z palette? Correction, it's not my Z palette, it's my Ofra Pro palette. Yes, I can use it. So I didn't apply anything on my lids. I'm just going to apply it right on top. Do you hear the music? My father is blasting music. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to dip into this shadow with the brush that I received as well. Ooh. Oh my god, I really love this shadow. Like, I did not apply no concealer or anything, just right on top of my lid. And look at how beautiful it looks. It looks so pretty. Oh my god. I'm going to take this brush right here and dip it into that same shadow. And I'm just buffing this in the crease. The Ofra eyeshadow, I am loving it. Do you see how it looks on my lids? Like, it looks so beautiful. I just love it. It's so pigmented. It has a nice sheen to it. So it just looks so beautiful on the lids. The IBY Beauty eyeshadow brush, I am loving as well. I feel like the only way I would dislike a brush if it's rough on the skin and stiff, and that is far from it. It's so soft and fluffy, and it just packed on the eyeshadow so great. So that is all the items that I received for my July Ipsy bag. My overall thoughts on everything: I love the bag. It still stinks like plastic. That's the only thing I dislike about it. The items that I'm loving is the Ofra eyeshadow, the IBY Beauty, the brush from IBY Beauty, the way it just packed the eyeshadow on. I'm also loving the H2O Beauty hydrating cream, the ultra hydrating cream, and the Ahava facial mud. The thing that I'm kind of like, I like, but it's just okay to me, it's the brow pencil from Pop Beauty. Like I said before, the formula is, you know, not my thing. If you receive Ipsy, I would love if you write down below which items you receive, which ones you dislike, and which ones you like. If you don't receive Ipsy and you want to, then I will leave the link down below in my description. And with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like my video, subscribe to my channel. Any comments, just comment below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. And you gonna win when you ain't right with them. Trying to holler at me. Some girls are on me. What the blank? Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see.